Most people get this wrong. They think making $100 a day online in 2026 is about finding one secret app or a magic shortcut. Here's the truth no one tells you. It is possible, but only if you treat it like a system, not a quick trick. In this video, you'll learn realistic ways to make $100 a day online in 2026, how people actually reach that level, and what steps someone like Alex or Priya would take from zero. Let's get straight into it. First, understand what $100 a day really means. That is around $3,000 a month. And that does not come from one source for most beginners. It usually comes from combining multiple income streams. Now here's where it gets interesting. The first method is freelancing. This is the fastest path for most people. You offer a skill like writing, editing, design, or social media management. Platforms like Fiverr help you connect with clients who are already ready to pay. But here's the problem beginners face. They try to charge high prices immediately without building trust. In reality, someone like Jake might start with small gigs at $5 to $10, then gradually scale up to higher paying clients once reviews build. Now let's move to method 2. Content creation. This includes YouTube, short videos, or even blogging. At first it feels slow and unpredictable. But once you grow an audience, income can come from ads, affiliate marketing, and brand deals. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Even small channels can earn meaningful income if they focus on high-value niches like tutorials, finance, or problem-solving content. The third method is online task-based income. These are simple apps or websites that pay for surveys, testing apps, or small tasks. One example is Swagbucks. But here's the reality check. This method alone will not get you to $100 a day. It is useful for small extra income, not full-time earnings. Now let's talk strategy. To reach $100 a day consistently, you need to combine methods. For example, freelancing for stable income, content creation for long-term growth, and small task apps for extra side cash. But here's the most important part. Consistency beats everything. Most people fail not because the methods don't work, but because they quit too early. The people who succeed treat this like a routine, not a one-time experiment. So what does a realistic path look like? Start with one skill. Get your first small client. Reinvest your time into improving that skill. Then slowly add a second income stream like content or affiliate work. Over time, the numbers stack. To wrap it up, making $100 a day online in 2026 is realistic, but it is not instant. It requires skill, patience, and combining multiple income streams instead of relying on one. If this helped you, hit like, comment what income goal you are working toward, and subscribe for more realistic online earning breakdowns like this.